I feel it's not just academically I've improved, but also in other areas in life as well. Learning Journey also helped me write out my drafts and my advocacy and debates, and helped me to host events also. Before I joined Learning Journey, I was barely passing. I got from a D to an A from Sec 2 to A-levels eventually. I was quite lost when I was doing GP comprehension and essays because I don't know what structures to use. I don't know how to find the answers. So I feel like the techniques the teachers taught me, for example, summarizing each paragraph or labeling question types, was really useful in terms of scoring. When I came to Learning Journey, I just came back from Germany also. The teachers here really helped me to guide me through how to articulate myself and enunciate each word properly. Learning Journey helped me become more confident. That's the most prominent thing. I moved from in-person classes to online classes at home. It's very convenient for me because materials can be transferred very easily through online email or other portals we use. Learning Journey is also great for people who are looking for how to score in exams, because scoring exams is very different from your daily master of language. So I feel that for people who are not achieving the ideal score they're looking for, Learning Journey is definitely a good choice. I would like to tell my teachers in Learning Journey a very big thank you, because they've endured with me, they've pushed me through, they've reminded me to hand in my homework, and it has really benefited me in the end because the result was quite ideal for me.